Hey, what is up guys? FZM here. Welcome back, welcome back. Oh, do I have something in store for you guys today. So yeah, I've been very busy with no recent uploads, but that changes today because I've been in the studio and I've been crafting up my next wave of content. So I'm very excited to bring it all to you, and it starts here. This is the very first HDR display quality test between the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 versus the Huawei Honor Note 10. In summary, I'll be testing which smartphone has the best overall display using a variety of Ultra HD mobile video content. There will be 3 parts to cover the display quality test. This video today is part 1, which I like to call the 4K aquarium test. I'll be comparing a stunning aquarium video on YouTube with the Note 9 and Note 10 at max brightness and max resolution. It's an absolutely fantastic clip as it tests high dynamic range, RGB color accuracy, and overall display resolution and vibrancy between both smartphones. I guess all you guys have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the clip. It's actually a very therapeutic and relaxing clip, so I'll play it for around 5 minutes so you guys can soak in all the detail to determine which has the best overall display. Right, let's get to it. So, settings and display, and let's see what we've got. So, max brightness for both handsets. The Note 9's highest settings at WQHD Plus at 2960 by 1440. And for the Note 10, it's at Full HD Plus with a resolution of 2220 by 1080. I'm using the adaptive display for the Note 9, which from my everyday experience brings out the best quality. And video enhancer is on, which means we'll capture even further detailed as it's a fully optimized smartphone for YouTube. There is no other setting for the Note 10. For the Huawei Honor Note 10, we're looking at a 6.95 inch AMOLED display, and on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, a 6.4 inch Super AMOLED display. Let's begin. So, resolution quality 1440p for the Note 9, full brightness, and quality 1080p for the Note 10, full brightness, and 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, enjoy the clip. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. So that concludes the 4K aquarium video test. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and had enough time to take in all of the detail. Let me hear your thoughts on this display comparison test. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 or Huawei Honor Note 10? Which display performed the best here? Which would you choose and who do you think won? Is the Note 9 outshining the Honor Note 10 with its Super AMOLED Infinity display at 1440p? Or does the stunning larger nearly 7-inch display of the Note 10 draw you in as a viewer due to its sheer size? There's a poll above on this video, so have your vote now. So this concludes part 1. There's 2 more parts coming up between the Note 9 and Note 10, and then we'll have our display winner. So I'm really excited for part 2 and 3, so stay tuned. I'll be conducting the series with all of the latest smartphones, so be sure to stick around. It's gonna be incredible. For now, Note 9 or Note 10? Drop me your comments below, I'll be checking them all out. Thank you so much for watching and showing your support as usual. Keep it coming. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and as always guys, hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload, and I'll catch you guys all on the next